The World Wildlife Federation just released the 2024 Living Planet Report, which shows a 73% decline in the average size of monitored wildlife populations over just 50 years. Think about that. Since 1970, 3/4 of the wildlife on Earth has been wiped out. We think of climate change as being a human issue because humans created it. We're certainly starting to see the consequences scientists have been warning us about for decades. From mass consumerism to factory pollution to deforestation to plastic pollution, we have created many obstacles for our future generations to overcome. But our species is not the only one facing the dangerous ramifications of a rapidly changing climate. Far from it. Climate change threatens the survival of not only certain species, but it also threatens entire ecosystems, changing literal landscapes faster than organisms have a chance to adapt and survive. Increasingly erratic weather behavior and more intense and frequent natural disasters have been some of the most dangerous and drastic effects of climate change because it has such far-reaching and intense effects for both humans and animals. Hurricanes are intensifying, and the effects are ranging farther and farther to places that are unprepared to face such natural disasters. Tornado activity is increasing and becoming more frequent and more intense. Wildfires are raging in the west coast of America, and rising seawater temperatures are affecting marine environments, and migratory animals are impacted by the changing weather patterns as well. Think of the world's ecosystems as a giant, intricately designed and detailed tapestry. All of the organisms of every single species of the world, animals, plants, rocks, even gems, are represented by individual strands in that tapestry. What happens when one of those strands breaks and is now missing? How about hundreds? What about thousands? What happens when so many strands are missing that the tapestry just completely unravels? That is what climate change is doing. And wherever on the tapestry you reside, the unraveling will eventually reach you too. The harsh reality is that none of us are safe from climate change. Not humans, not animals. I want you to check out this video by the World Wildlife Federation to see how it's all connected.
Ice sheets are melting and ground is thawing, bringing sea level rise and unleashing greenhouse gases, while the Earth's lungs, the Amazon rainforest, faces continued destruction, reducing rainfall and accelerating the climate crisis. If we don't act quickly, impacts will be felt everywhere, by everyone. Let's pull together to avoid tipping our planet over the edge.
We need to see a major shift in thinking when it comes to our role as humans in the order of things here on Earth. With all of our knowledge and tools and technology, we need to realize as humans that nature does not need to be conquered by us, but nurtured by us. The mindset that was focused on exploitation and profit is what has led us here. I encourage you to contact organizations like the World Wildlife Federation and the International Fund for Animal Welfare for more information about getting involved. We're all in this together, and we all have to work together to find a solution so that we can all survive together.